going to be talking about linking our JavaScript into our web pages that we've been making up until now. So we've done algorithms in a setting where our code is not necessarily touching a website yet. And we want to bring it in with what we've learned already. So I have a project started that I think we can take a look at. So this one's pretty simple. We're going to click on elements on the page, and maybe these will be periodic table elements. I don't know, kind of an idea I had. And we're going to click on it and it'll tell us the name of the element. I think that's the plan we're going to go with. So there's a little bit of CSS going on. We've linked that in using our standard link tag, and we're just going to create multiple elements like this. So I'm going to put in another element, HE. I'm just going to look it up real quick. What is the weight? 4. Well, that's not surprising. There we go. And if you don't know what the weights are, don't worry about it. It's just another property. It makes it look a little bit more like it's what we're trying to make, a periodic table of elements. And we'll do styling on this later. It's fine that they're next to each other for now. So what I want to add on is the ability for me to click on this and have it show me useful information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write an onClick. This is an extra attribute we can add on to our elements here. And right away, I could just alert. Well, I can't use double quotes again because double quotes will end the initial quote. So I'm going to switch out to single quotes here. And I'll say that this is hydrogen. And maybe I'll do the same thing on the other element and tell it to be helium. How do you spell helium? Helium. I could go for some helium right now. And there we go. So if I click on these elements, the page is going to tell me what they are. So that one's hydrogen. That one's helium. Maybe this could help us learn things. We could make flashcards perhaps. And well, this is using JavaScript, but it's a little bit less convenient than other things that we could be doing with it. And I think what I really want to do is we've created this JavaScript file. What if I can create my own custom function in here that will tell me the name of the element? So maybe I'll have it say something like display name. That'll be a good thing for us to see. And well, it might be handy to be able to pass information into this display name as well. So I think what I could do is tell it the element name. I don't know. That's a good variable name for it. And for now, let's do a console log message. We'll say console log the element name when we click. And what we'll find is that this display name function is actually something that we can replace this alert with. Display name. Display name. But one thing we have to be aware of is that before we were using alert, which is built in. But now, if we want to use our own script that we've written, this script.js, then we need to link this one in just like we linked our CSS in. And that's something that we can do maybe down here at the bottom of the page. We can create a script tag for that. And we can give it a source. So where the link tag takes an href, the script tag takes a source. And I'm going to save this. The bottom of the page is a good place to have this for now. We'll talk about why soon. But for now, this is all we need to know. And if I come back, I can now click hydrogen, helium. What comes next? Lithium. Let's make that real quick. And we could just add in as many of these as we want. We could learn all of the elements that way. Okay, getting the CSS for a periodic table is pretty hard, but we could do that. And this one should be saying lithium. So we're providing a special variable into each of these so that we see what we're getting back, and we can click and see things. Very nice. All right. So good luck and have fun with JavaScript in your browser. There's more that we can do, and I'm really excited to see what we're going to be able to get to today.